Palit nga eh.
Okay? Sembera College, Alabang. Don Manolo Avenue, Alabang Hills, Village, Muntinlupa City, College of Arts and Sciences. The dance troupe presents this certificate of appreciation to the DFCOM Performing Arts Crew. So we please celebrate the DFCOM for joining us this afternoon show. After DFCOM was the one who won in our 4th Hip Hop Sayaw Hataw Dance Competition. And of course, the president is the Dennis, and it is their out also. Thank you very much. Next, we have from Beta Mix of Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng Muntinlupa. Thank you very much. Okay? Next, we have from our very own Philippine Barangay Folk Dance Troupe. Everybody, Sir Boy, please, the president of Barangay, to receive the certificate of appreciation. Anyone from the Barangay, Sir Boyet, the president. Thank you very much, sir. We have also from the crew, that is
Eccentric Crew.
Eccentric Crew. Our very own student, RJ. Sir Bangkok. From BM, and Miss From where is this eccentric crew?
Hi, we're Eccentric Crew. We're one of the crews that hail here in the South. We are a no-stunt crew. We are a pure choreography-based crew here in the South. Hope you like it. Hope you enjoy it.
Yes!
Hi.
Thank you very much. And of course, we have the J2P Dance Crew, headed by Miss Jocelyn Martinez. Congratulations to Miss Jocelyn Martinez for her valuable contribution to the Veterans Dance Troupe Sound Booth, given this 14th day of March in the year of our Lord 2009 at Rosendo Air Houses Festival of Bangladesh Village, Muntinlupa City, signed by yours truly. And I want to tell my brother everybody Tawan, the Dean of the College, and of course the Rector President, Don Clement Maria H. Proctor. And of course, that's for your group. Thank you very much, PCP. And of course, this activity will be complete without our officers. Very much, thank you very much for all the officers, especially the batch you're going to graduate this year. First, we have Miss Priska de Guzman from Psychology Department. Next, we have Mr. Gabriel Areta, a business manager at school 2008-2009. IT Department.
Shout for joy naman.
Next, we have Mr. Nicolas Signes. Our business manager. And our 40-level representative from the IT Department, Mr. Kevin Bukan. And our secretary goes to Miss Liz Orbino from the CNS.
Goles!
And our Vice President Internal, School 2008-2009, Miss Carla Hebron. And of course, the President of Veterans Dance 2009, Mr. Dennis F. Now, take it away there, please. Of course, we'd like to acknowledge the help of Mr. Jack Fournier round of applause. Adrian Gala, thank you very much. The IMC, the staff, of course the parents, the sponsors, the donors, the students, thank you very much for the support. And the faculty and staff administrators. Please take it away.
Alisin mo na daw.
Yeah, the IMC staff. Ricky. Please stand to the window.
Once again, your Veterans Dance Troupe, batch 2009. Bennett Quinto. Jimmy Ruiz. Camille Borneo. Leslie Gilua. David Renturia. Salazar. Eric Basaba. Kyle Austria. Andy Duray. Nikki Texon. And Aguinaldo. Carl Henson. Justine Ramos. Charlie Tubon Banwa. Paul